Product composition. Main unit. Power cable. Test cable set. Device wiring. First, connect the power cable. Ensure normal power supply. Then, connect the test cable set. Red clamp connect to the positive terminal of the battery. Light clamp connect to the negative terminal of the battery. Parameter settings. Turn on the power switch to enter the main page. You can select functions by pressing the left and right buttons. Take charging test as an example. Switch to test. Press the OK button to enter the test interface. Press F1 to switch the test mode internal resistance test, discharge, charge test. Use the up and down keys to select the parameter you want to modify. When the setting box turns black, press the OK button to start modifying. Use the up and down buttons to modify parameters, and the left and right buttons to select the number of digits. After each parameter is modified, you need to click the OK button to save the setting. After the parameters are set, press F4 to start the test. Press F2 to switch to the curve display interface. Red is the current curve, white is the voltage curve. Press the F2 button again to return. Can stop the test by press F4. When the test value reaches the set value, the test is completed. When switching to internal resistance test, just press F4 to start the test without setting parameters.